Training in January can be very stressful. It's often very hard to find equipment, and people struggle to find exercises to do when most of the exercises you want to do are being used. So for a push session in January, we can use a bench, 2 pairs of dumbbells that we can even share with someone else, and we can stay in the same place and blast chest, shoulders, triceps, all on the same piece of equipment. Let me show you how. And I'll show you the exercises that I do to hit a push session in January with minimal equipment in a busy gym. Let's go. Build that big shelf. The incline dumbbell press. Down, look how we lift. To start, there, up with the legs. Set, on the knees. Can we kick from the knee? Up, up, back arch, set position, drive up, down. Nice and controlled, 90 degrees, back up. Getting a squeeze at the top. Up, squeeze, control. Common errors we see is this, down, down. This, bouncing. If you want to grow your chest, squeeze, stretch. Down. There we go. The reason I tend to go with an incline movement first on push sessions is because most people lack muscle in the upper chest. Plus it's weaker. As we go into a decline movement, you're stronger in that position. So if you overload that position first because you'll be able to lift more weight, and therefore your ego will get a bit more of a stroke in. You're already probably quite heavily muscled there, missing muscle here. Focus on this first, and then you can go to a decline, then a shoulder press. So now you're able to hit everything better. If you go flat, incline, shoulder, you'll notice you're strongest here, so your ego gets stroked. Awesome. But then you're losing it here where you need it the most, and then you get to shoulder press, there's nothing left. If you go incline, decline, rest in this just slightly because it's involved but not that much, then shoulder press, you'll get better performance across all three. Build more muscle here, which is where you really want it. Wait. Breathe. Yeah, we'll share. That's the video I'm trying to make. Training a push session in January using dumbbells, and I actually can't find any. See dumbbell shoulder press. We can emphasize our shoulders more by crunching abs at the top, push your shoulders forward. Let me show you how. Up, up. I start arch to get a full stretch. Up, squeeze. Contract the abs, squeeze the delts at the top. Think about ab crunch. Down, open, up, squeeze. There we go. Bench dips. It's a great exercise to put in. At the end of this kind of session, when we're struggling for equipment, we can just chuck it in, especially when we've got a flat bench like this. Hands on, drop your bum just off. So a lot of people end up here. You know when they stand with loads of plates on and they're out here. So they do this, shoulders. You have to go bum touching, elbows. Elbows means triceps, shoulders, delts. So if we're here, delts. If we're here, elbows, triceps. So there, up, down. My back's rubbing against the bench. Triceps, triceps. If you do this properly, you don't need to be out here with all those plates. And the closer those plates go to your legs, the more they're supported by your legs. So you need to have it on your hips to be near your body to pull down this bit, because this is where the weight is, this is where the working part is. It's a common error that most people get wrong. So we go bum against, bend the elbows, down, tricep. Last one, hand placement at the bottom of the dumbbell, near to the face. So we get an elbow bend up, stopping before vertical. There, before vertical. If we go vertical, we're resting. Just here, staying on the tricep. Down, back up, down, back up.